My name's Alan Hart, and today I'm quite excited. Today I've got the new Baxi 800 Combi boiler. I'm going to do a review on this boiler. So the new 800 comes in a 25, a 30 and a 36. It also comes with a 10-year parts and labour warranty. Comes with a filter in the box now. If it comes with an Adey Magnaclean Micro2. Features and benefits of this boiler: it's a small boiler, it's a cupboard fit boiler, and it goes all the way up to 36 kilowatt. So you can, it's good for, you know, if you want really good flow rates. There's space up the back, so if you want to put pipes up the back, you don't need to think about it. So if you go to a job and you think, oh, you know, I wish I'd have been able to put pipes up back, then you can just do that standard with these. You don't need to think about getting a standoff kit. And obviously sometimes when you get a standoff kit, it'll pull the boiler off the wall a little bit, so it might not fit in a cupboard anymore. So yeah, let's have a look inside. To remove the case on this boiler, we've just got 2 screws underneath. You can undo them with a spanner, or you can undo them with a star-shaped posi drive. Undo them, and the front cover will just lift off. When we look inside the boiler, we can see it's got a stainless steel heat exchanger. It's also got on the front cover, it's got some foam on the front cover, so hopefully that'll reduce the noise of this boiler. Pull down the flap on the front, and if we have a look inside here, we can see it's got a Grundfos pump. It's got brass components. All the components are brass, which personally I like to see in a boiler. Expansion vessel on the right hand side there. These panels on the side also come off, so you can undo the screws out and you can take this panel off if you needed to get into any of this. There's the Schrader valve on the top of here. The Schrader valve being on the top of the boiler will make it very easy for servicing. So if you want to top that up or pump that up on a service, it's nice and easy. So if we just have a recap on the inside of the boiler, it's got a Grundfos pump, which is a 1560 pump. So that's a high efficiency pump. It's got the brass components. The PRV is forward facing. So if you ever need to change the PRV, it'll be nice and easy to do. It's got brass on that side as well. The plate at the back there, so if you take that burner out, you could always get to plate heat exchanger very easy. It's amazing how much space there is in the boiler. It would be very, very easy to work on. And as I say, these panels come off the side, so if you did ever need a bit more space, then you could remove them, but you wouldn't need to be honest. For anybody who watches my channel or subscribes to my channel, you'll probably see me installing quite a few of these. I've been waiting for a cupboard fit boiler with a 10-year warranty from Baxi. I've always fitted the platinum for years, and I've always loved the platinum. The platinum's going shortly, and this is the replacement. So yeah, it's all good. One thing to point out with this as well, they've also brought out the flue kit, and that's the IFOS with a ridge terminal. So if you needed to use one of them, then you can do. So all in all, what do I think of it? I think it's really good, and if I'm honest with you, I think that this is probably going to be my boiler of choice. I will install whatever customer wants, to be honest, but yeah, it's a very, very good option. 10-year parts and labour warranty. Yeah, can't go wrong.